Hello guys, and welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you how to use keyboard macros. So what is a macro? A macro is a single instruction that expands automatically into a set of instructions to perform a particular task. Here's an example. By just one press of a button, the computer will type best regards name, a simple email signature. In the rest of the tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to make a macro of your own. So let's get into it. So now to actually get macros, we need to download Keyboard Maestro. We can just go to keyboardmaestro.com, and then here we have a free trial which can be downloaded. We'll download as a zip file, and then once it's downloaded we can just click on it. It will unzip, and then you can just drag it into your applications folder. Now if we open Spotlight Search, we type in Keyboard Maestro right there. We open it up. Open. So now when we open up Keyboard Maestro, we can create a new macro group. Let's just call this macro. Available in all applications, in all windows. Always activate it. Yes. Press enter. Yep, that should be fine. Now that we have this macro group, now we actually add our macros. So untitled macro, let's just call this email signature. Okay, new trigger. Hotkey, I always like to do hotkeys. I always like to use this symbol, the section sign. It's right next to the one on your keyboard. I like to use this because it's a sign that's not used that much, or if not at all, right? So just by simple press of that button, we can now create an action for that. So an action, now that we're doing emails, we have to do type. So insert style text by pasting, insert text by pasting, insert text by typing. I like to do typing because when it pastes, it might cause issues sometimes, and we do not want that. So what we wanted to type is, say we're like doing the ending of an email, right? So you have to sign like best regards name, right? So let's just do that. Best regards, and then we have to enter. Normally when we write the email, we have to press enter to go to the next line to write our name, right? And to do that, we do new action, we do keystroke, and then we do the enter key, the return key as they call it, right? And now we add another one, insert text by typing, and then we go name. Okay? Now if we go to an email, new email, hello, ... like email content, and then boom. As simple as that. I can do it again, just by pressing it once. It will just show you, it will just type in anything that you want. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.